pre-cut hair.
Very sensitive.
It's crazy to offer.
Oh, yeah.
To offer for
Because no buy shoes, then
Oh, you say you not buy shoes. If I say buy shoes, wait
just
some more.
intong just
Yes,
socks.
She wants my grandma shoes. Oh, you. Shoes are the same, huh?
Go to the intong room there. Talk to the teacher. But the teacher say more good if have shoes.
You can aye can.
But because the problem is not from the exercise.
Yeah.
Because she massage too hard.
Yeah.
She massage too hard. You know, every time they come here, they always touch the finger like this, like oh. And crying, say, oh, my baby pain, baby pain, baby pain.
Like that.
Oh, she's crying. Oh, mama, pain, atong mama. Mama, crying, very crazy. Joyce, isushi na. Uy. I say, if my fault, I said to her, if my fault, I tell you. But it's not my fault. I don't know why. Maybe you massage very hard, I tell her.
Yeah. This is
Ayaw namang aminin.
But she say, no, it's
from
impossible.
the elderly skin is so sensitive.
Some is possible. Where I bump? Oh, she go there and maybe ask there, maybe there.
Hindi mo naman maiwasan kasi pag binuhat mo tapos minsan tumitigas yung paa nila, nabubunggo. Right, if you fall from the wheelchair, sometimes the pitpong in the wheelchair have a little black because sensitive the skin.
My grandma don't
Yeah.
I make one
My ama sometimes have, but quickly gone.
The skin not when the skin is okay, just
Yeah.
a little bit black is okay.
Yeah.
This black
That's no more problem.
And you know, one time again, Mama have very
Oy,
black hair.
oy.
Two, here and here. Very angry. Wait, sana, the nurse get blood for Ama. That's why become black. Too much angry to me.